Lesson 5, Greenland, the land of ice and snow, revision for midterm. Greenland, it was given its name by Eric the Red, a Norse explorer. Its capital is Nuuk. It is also the largest island and lies in the frigid zone, so has polar climate. Its temperature is always below 0 degrees Celsius. The nearest European country to Greenland is Iceland. In 1912, Titanic, an ocean liner, sank after hitting an iceberg. What is iceberg? The floating mass of ice is called iceberg. They use huskies, wolf-like dogs for hunting, and boats, kayaks for hunting sea animals. So students, now you need to learn the word power of this lesson. Iceberg, huge mass of ice floating in the sea. Parka, a jacket with a hood to cover the head. Tupig, a tent made of animal skin. Umayak, broad boat that can carry many people. And blubber, fat of animal like whale, seal, etc. Harpoon, a spear with long rope attached to it. So students, the native people of Greenland are called Eskimos or Inuits. Then the life is hard because of the cold climate. Now hunting and fishing are the main occupation of the people here. Men, women and children wear same type of clothes. They are made of seal skin. Now for your exam, all of you need to learn this think and answer, tick the correct answer. First one, the dogs which help the Eskimos are called, options are huskies, dholes and hunters. Correct answer is huskies. Second one, the native people of Greenland are called Redunes, Eskimos, Bheels. So just now we learnt they are called Eskimos. Then third one, the Greenland lies in the temperate zone, torrid zone or frigid zone. So again frigid zone is the right answer. Fourth one, the capital of Greenland is Iceland, Nuuk, Norway. So all of you know the correct answer is Nuuk. Now we come to fill in the blanks. The temperature of Greenland is mostly below 0 degree. Second one, the area around the North Pole is covered with the dash ocean. Which ocean? Arctic Ocean. Number 3, the Baffin Bay separates Greenland from dash. So the answer is Northern Islands of Canada. Fourth one, Greenland was discovered by Eric the Red. Number 5, huge pieces of ice floating in sea are called iceberg. It is very important. All of you must remember. Now we come to write T for true and F for false statement. Eskimos lead an easy and comfortable life. So this is not true. It is false. Second, huskies are wolf-like dogs. Yes, just now we studied that. It is true. Third one, blubber means the bones of whale. So this is wrong. It is fat. Number 4, skidoos are motor boats. This is also wrong. It is sledge. Number 5, Eskimos are called Inuits. So this is correct. Now students, after you complete your learning work and writing your work in your register, press the thumbs up so that I come to know that you have done your work. Thank you.